boy, good boy. Yes, I know, it's scary, isn't it? Good boy. There's one missing.
There's 5.
Oh, I didn't see the black one. Yeah.
It's because the other ones are so fat.
No, it's because she's so black. There. Get on the rug. There. Hey. They've never had this much space to walk in.
Really?
Remember, they've been in there. Debbie and I put them on the rug, but it was right there in front of the playpen. Arch up and stretch his little back. TV. Giant horde of big bees. Hey, puppies. How's my babies? Puppies. Yes. Right here. Oh, good baby. Oh, good baby. Yeah. You guys had lunch? Do you want some bacon? I have bacon sandwiches. I can make some egg salad sandwiches real quick. You are such a... Right here. Take some toys out, put them on the floor. Please. Hi, Pudding. Hi, Pudding. Hi, Pumpkin. Look at him. I should wash my hands. Like parvo and that kind of stuff.
Really, dog?
Hello there, Bubby. Hello there, Bubby.
He sure has a big face, doesn't he?
Hello
This
there,
one?
Bubby.
No, she has a little one.
Hello there, Bubby.
JJ has a big face.
So did Rhea.
Yeah, that's true. Why do you look like a rooster? There you go. There you go.
There we go.
Go.
Spike!
Rohan. You know from Lord of the Rings, Rohan?
I thought it was Rowan.
No, it is. Rohan. Rowan or Rohan, whichever.
I like Rowan.
You do like Rowan? Okay.
I don't like
Ronan. There, Ronan.
What was his name?
Raiders.
Ronan was the guy in Inisheer. Rohan was the guy in Lord of the Rings. Please, my shoe, really? They are so cute. Look, she's crossing her legs.
Hi.
Darn.
Hello, Bubby.
You should not be playing with my shoes. Go play with somebody else. Like him and his camera. That's it. Go bite his hands. You've got sharp teeth. Go bite hands. Oh, they're so cute when they're fuzzy. Stop. Are we trotting?
Where? Dancing.
Were you kidding? Were you?
Totally worked.
They're not real quick on the uptake just yet. Aha, what?
Isn't that cute? Oh.
In a bowl.
Oh, JJ crossed his legs again.
You did?
It's right in front of you.
It's a... Hi there. Hi, Ronan. You're a good little panther. Drink some water. Look, there's water in there. Connor, no. Ronan, come here.
Boy,
Come on, Papa.
Oh.
I'm gonna kill this thing. Literally as big as he is. At least it's on something instead of just a pup. I think they might. We got plenty. We got plenty going on.
Dog, that's not how this is. That one right there needs a little chin scratch.
Water bowl somewhere else. Here, like here, give it to me. Put it up here. If they want some, they can come get it. Hi there, Ronan. Hi there. Ronan is better or Rohan?
Ronan.
Okay.
You're being attacked from the flank.
Running! Run away!
Are you ready?
Oh, we're gonna fight. We're gonna fight. You're so cute.
Did you just see that? She rolled over.
Yes. Roll over. You are so mean. Hi there. Yeah. I know. I know. Look at that. Oh, what a cutie. What a cutie pie. And just sitting like a baby. Yes, you are. You stuck?
Yes.
Are you stuck? Oh, jeez. And we just pulled out a sock. Good baby. Let's kill it. This is mine. Yes, yes. Good boy. Good boy.